Hey friends, my name is Victoria and I'm a current senior at Auburn University. I'm studying marketing and today I'm going to teach you how to address an envelope. This is something that's really important to me since I'm graduating soon and I really want to put a personal touch on all of my announcements and invitations. So I'm going to be using just a regular old envelope and I'm going to teach you two different styles, one using a calligraphy nib and pen and the other using a brush style lettering pen. So stick around and I hope you enjoy. So to begin with, I'm going to show you how to do calligraphy with a regular nib and pen. And here's an example. This is also going to be our fake address. So as you can see, the downstrokes are a lot thicker than the upstrokes. So to achieve that look, you're just going to press harder on the nib on your downstrokes on the paper. So be on the lookout for that in the video and I'm excited to show you. This next part, I'm going to show you how I address an envelope with a brush style lettering pen. So as you can see, this has two different sides. This side is a very thin, fine point side, and then this side is the brush side. So very similarly to the calligraphy envelope, you're going to press harder on the downstrokes than on the upstrokes, and that's going to give it that faux calligraphy look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a little something and I hope you enjoyed it. If you had a favorite style, please let me know in the comments below. And if you're going to address your own envelopes, I would love to see pictures. Thank you so much.